Hey everyone! Today I'll be walking you through how to publish your website on Wix. First, log into your Wix account and head to the My Sites section in your dashboard. Find your site and click the Edit Site button to open the Wix editor. Before you publish, it's a good idea to preview how your site looks. At the top right of the editor, you'll see a preview button. Click that. A new tab opens showing your site exactly as visitors will see it. Browse through your pages, check everything looks right, and if you want to test the mobile view, scroll through on that as well. Once you're happy, close the Preview tab or click Back to Editor to get back to the editor interface. Now, you're ready to publish. Look at the top right of the editor again and click the Publish button. When you click it, Wix runs a quick automatic check on your site's code. If everything's fine, a dialog pops up. If this is your first time publishing, you'll see two domain options here. Use a free Wix domain or use a custom domain. If you're on a free plan or just testing things out, go with the free Wix domain that'll give you a URL like siteprefix.wixsite.com/sitename. If you've upgraded and have your own domain ready, choose the custom domain option instead. Pick whichever one suits you, then click Publish Site. The publishing process takes a few seconds. You should see a confirmation message on screen once your site is live. And that's it, your site is now online. Anyone can visit it by entering your URL. If you want to view your live site straight from the editor, click Site on the top bar and then click View Site. Also, whenever you make changes to your site in the future, remember that clicking Save won't make those changes live. You need to click Publish again to push any updates to the live version. You can republish as many times as you need, there's no limit. And after your first publish, the domain selection dialog won't appear again. Clicking Publish will immediately push your changes live. One thing to watch for: if Wix detects code errors during the automatic check, you'll get an alert with two options. You can either return to the editor without publishing, or publish anyway with the errors present. There's also a View Error Log option if you need to see the details. And that's how to publish your website on Wix. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.